Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Merciless Accessories in Raid Shadow Legends. Merciless Accessories are special gear that boost champion stats and are equipped in the ring, amulet, and banner slots. They're highly valued for nukers since they grant extra damage bonuses, but they're rarer than regular sets because they don't drop in dungeons like Dragon or Spider. The main way to get them is through live arena chess. The higher your rank in PvP, the better the chess rewards, which can include merciless accessories. They can also appear as rewards in events and tournaments, especially higher tier ones, and occasionally in limited time shop offers, though this usually costs real money. To farm them efficiently, focus on climbing live arena tiers to boost your chess quality, build a strong PvP team, and check the events tab regularly since milestone rewards sometimes include these accessories. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.